Hello, this is Leyton Jones doing work on number 7 for the physics exam. So I got number 1 right, but basically what's going on here is Jimmy is first going 33 degrees south of east. Let me pull the question up on my computer just to read it correctly. Yes, 33 degrees south of east before going 47 degrees north of east. So that's represented here with this angle right here. And then he goes south by 206 degrees. So after drawing that, your first question is to ask, what is the east component? Going back to my work, see here, I put 38 degrees for some reason, even though it explicitly said 33 degrees. So he's kind of more on my end, just putting the numbers in wrong. So what's supposed to go on here is you're supposed to write 158 because the cosine of negative 33 degrees is x, which we don't know, which is going to be the x displacement, over 158. And solving for x, it is 158. If you multiply 158 on both sides, it's 158 times cosine negative 33. So it'll be 158 times cosine negative 33. And then we're going to add on this vector right here, same deal. And this is also at a magnitude of 219, yes. So we're going to put 219 right there. And then we're going to add on 219 times cosine 47. And then since this vector right here is straight down, it has no x displacement and it will be 0, which means we only have to worry about these two vectors. And if I go to the calculator, I already pre-calculated it right here. It'll give me an answer. Let me just scroll up just so you can see both. Negative 33, 47. Add those together, I got 281.87. And then same thing with the sine. What you're going to do is you're going to add 158 times sine, negative 33. And that negative 33 is very important because it shows that the angle is going down, which means it'll give you a negative angle. If it's positive here, it'll show the opposite thing with a positive sign, and that's incorrect. So, and then we're going to add this 219 sine 47. So 219 sine 47. And now that we're talking in the y direction, this 206 now becomes important. So now we're going to subtract or add negative 206 just to make it easier. And I also did the math on this one. Let me just scroll up to it. I've done like all the work for all of these. Give me a moment. Here we go. So here you are right here. So here's 219 sine. Here's your 158 sine. Add those together. And then you get that final answer. Subtract 206, you get 131.89. Let me actually write both of these down. 131.889. And we got, what was that again? Hold on. Give me a second. Yes, we got 281.87 in the x direction, 289 in the y direction. So now the next question here is asking me the length or magnitude, and all we have to do is take the square root, and we're going to take the x direction squared, so 281.87 squared, and we're going to add that to negative 131.89 squared. But since it's getting squared, it won't really matter too much, but it's good to just put it in there. Going back up to my calculator, we get, hold on, yes, right here. Just putting it in right there if you want to see my calculations. I'm going to bring it down here just so you can, so there's 1 squared. Hold on. Oh, I put it in wrong. Hello. Got to make sure that's right. So 281, and I will get a total displacement of 311.2. Yeah, I put it in wrong in my calculator the first time, but coming back to it, there we go. So 311.2 for our magnitude, and don't forget to put meters. I also forgot to put meters on my exam, which is something I lost points on for. So finally, we're getting asked the direction relative to east. So east will be our final component vector. So going back to the work, all we have to do is use arc tangent and then our y component over our x component. So it'll be arctangent, or tangent to the power of -1. And then our y component, which is -131.89 over 281.87, which is our x component. So if I'm just going to plug this in right now, just so I make sure I don't have any errors when I did mine. So we're going to put fraction -131.89 over 281.87, and that'll give us -25. Now what that 25 is saying is if we are on the east axis, or the east axis, our angle is 25 degrees south of that east axis. So our answer will be 25 degrees south of east. And that's my work. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk, and thank you.